So that just made 1,053 horsepower and about 43 pounds. Now, how much better does that sound than a bloody Barra? So this car has previously gone 860 at 162 miles an hour on 40-pound boost. It weighs 1,710 kilos, race ready at the track. Obviously on X275 radials, ED XR6, completely stock looking car, mint street car. So this is a complete tunnel vision 4-litre engine package. So that's a billet crank, billet main caps, billet rockers. It's not grouted, solid camshaft, GT47 turbo, obviously a tunnel vision inlet manifold, full Haltech EFI. It's got a Preston Automatics Powerglide transmission, and the rear end was done by LMS. So you might have seen some of the early runs, the car was going up and up, up and down. The guys are just setting
the boost was?
The boost was going up and down. That's why you could hear the revs going sort of, it was trying to stabilise, so just trying to get a base run at 30 pounds, I think it is. And then we'll probably eventually make our way up to near 50 pounds. But even on that, just mucking around run, it's still made, 650 kilowatts at the wheels, I don't know, 880 horsepower or something. So Jason's just mucking around with that boost controller. That last run we heard with me standing here, it just made 900 horsepower on 32 pounds. And like, that car's gonna shit in. Obviously 1,000 horsepower. Does the single cam look a million times better than the Barra, but how much better does it sound? How's that for an engine? 5 years old, it's done 20,000 Ks, 70 quarter-mile passes, drove here tonight. It's just cranked out a lazy 850 kilowatts, and there's still more to go. I think we need a new sticker. F your Barra. So let's get this straight. This is just made over 1,200 horsepower with one camshaft. Imagine if it had two, like a Ford Barra engine. With driver, this car weighs 1,710 kilos. Now I know there's plenty of experts on the internet won't believe that, but it's been scaled, that's what it weighs, just suck it up and believe it. Now we've been selling a ton of these stickers, new in our shop, so get on them. We've also got an updated Barra t-shirt, so this is a dark navy, a bit more subtle this time, so get onto these too. Show your love for the Aussie Ford Barra.